Hello everyone, this is Teacher Rose and today we will talk about colors.
Rainbow colors. Tell me, what do you see? I see an apple and it's red. Tell me, what do you see? I see a carrot and it's orange. Tell me, what do you see? I see a lemon and it's yellow. Tell me, what do you see? I see a frog and it's green. Rainbow colors everywhere. Red, orange, yellow, green. Rainbow colors everywhere. Blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, pink. Tell me, what do you see? I see a fish and it's blue. Tell me, what do you see? I see a flower and it's purple. Tell me, what do you see? I see a flamingo and it's pink. Rainbow colors everywhere. Red, orange, yellow, green. Rainbow colors everywhere. Blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, pink. Red, red. Orange, orange. Yellow, yellow. Green, green. Blue, blue. Purple, purple. Pink, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Rainbow colors everywhere. Red, orange, yellow, green. Rainbow colors everywhere. Blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, pink.
The first color that we will talk about is red. What is the spelling of red? R-E-D, red. Do you like color red? Yes, I do. I like red. No, I don't. I don't like red. What is the color of the ball? The ball is red. Let's go to color blue. Let's spell blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Do you like color blue? Yes, I do. I like blue. No, I don't. I don't like blue. What is the color of the car? The car is blue. Let's go to color yellow. Let's spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Do you like color yellow? Yes, I do. I like yellow. No, I don't. I don't like yellow. What is the color of the backpack? The backpack is yellow. Let's go to green. Let's spell green. 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 Do you like color green? Yes, I do. I like green. No, I don't. I don't like green. What is the color of the cap? The cap is green. Next is color white. Let's spell white. W-H-I-T-E, white. Do you like color white? Yes, I do. I like white. No, I don't. I don't like white. What is the color of your teeth? My teeth is white. Next is color black. Let's spell black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Do you like color black? Yes, I do. I like black. No, I don't. I don't like black. What is the color of your shoes? My shoes is black. Okay, let's go to color orange. Let's spell orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Do you like color orange? Yes, I do. I like orange. No, I don't. I don't like orange. What is the color of the papaya? The papaya is orange. Let's go to color pink. Let's spell pink. P-I-N-K, pink. Do you like color pink? Yes, I do. I like pink. No, I don't. I don't like pink. What is the color of the umbrella? The umbrella is pink. Next is color purple. Let's spell purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Do you like color purple? Yes, I do. I like purple. No, I don't. I don't like purple. What is the color of the grapes? The grapes is purple. Next is brown. Let's spell brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Do you like brown? Yes, I do. I like brown. No, I don't. I don't like brown. What is the color of the door? The door is brown. So let's review. Let's spell red. R-E-D, red. What is the spelling of blue? B-L-U-E, blue. What is the spelling of green? G-R-E-E-N, green. What is the spelling of yellow? Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. What is the spelling of black? B-L-A-C-K, black. What is the spelling of white? W-H-I-T-E, white. What is the spelling of orange? O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. What is the spelling of purple? P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. What is the spelling of brown? B-R-O-W-N, brown. What is the spelling of pink? P-I-N-K, pink. Did you enjoy our lesson today about colors? Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye!